when you have straight hair, it is hard to create that textured look. So suggestion, we will actually use a lower texture type here. Let's just pretend that this is straight hair. What we call this is a 2-strand twist. And a 2-strand twist is literally just taking your 2 strands. You don't need any skill to do this. Take a section, take 2 strands, 1 and 2, wrap them around each other. It can go clockwise or it could go counterclockwise. It doesn't matter which way. Just make sure that you take your 2 strands with the product in the hair, wet, and go ahead and wrap them around each other. This is called a 2-strand twist. When you get towards the bottom of the section with straight hair, you might want to go ahead and rubber band that because it will spiral out of the section. So see, I'm working all the way towards the bottoms, and this is this 2 strands wrapped around each other. Now when I go ahead and release that, it will unwind itself for straight hair. So you might want to rubber band that. Now, again, depending on your density, which means how much hair is on your head, you might not want to take such a small section like that. You might want to take bigger sections just to cover more space quicker, but you will want to allow that to dry completely before separating it.
Like overnight almost?
Yeah, overnight, or you can actually do the 2-strand and use that diffuser and just let it dry. But the wrap, the 2 strands that are wrapping around, that's going to give you that wave that you're looking for.
Oh my God, there goes all my tips out the window.
Which is right here.
Whoa.
Okay, so after that's dry, then you would just break that apart. You can go ahead and use texture sprays or pomades of whatever sort you want to create a look with, but that was the set that created that look.
How long does it last for? Once you wash your hair,
yes.
If you have straight hair, that's it, you're done.
That's it.
You have to do it all over again. So let it sit for a couple days, wear it like that, and then, but once you wet your hair, if it's straight and you go to curly,
that's
goodbye.
It. Because this was just a
temporary.
set, so it's not a permanent style. Water will revert the hair to whatever natural shape it is. So we have our curly or coily hair types, and they go and style their hair, but they go outside and it's very humid out. Well, it takes shape back to what you tried to manipulate it to back to its natural state, and straight hair as well. If you shower, it's going to go back to its original state.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I really hope you all enjoyed this. This was basically an encyclopedia, what you presented to us.
There's a lot more.
A lot. There's more and more. And once again, she is going to be my go-to person for this type of texture. If you want to come see her, right? She actually has her own space here where she does hair and she has a full clientele. So tell everyone about like where they can find you and stuff like that.
Absolutely. So first you can find me on Instagram at Textured Room. That's with a D, Textured Room. I am in Metuchen. I do have my own salon. We do have other stylists who are highly skilled in all textures. And I want to mention all textures, right? Because my journey with education was really important that everyone felt comfortable, whether you had straight hair, wavy hair, curly hair, or coily hair. So I just want to emphasize on all textures, and this is the place to be for that.
Thank you so much. You did a great job.
Yay.
Such an expert. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this. She will be back on the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.
Thank you.